How to upload YouTube Shorts from PC. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to youtube.com and then simply click on the create button. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on upload video. Now the next step is to select your short. Now keep in mind that in order to upload a short from your PC, you need to make sure that the video resolution is vertical, the aspect ratio and everything. So you have here these different types, so you're gonna have to make sure that the aspect ratio is 9:16 and the video is no longer than 1 minute, because if it's longer than 1 minute it's not gonna be uploaded as a short. So this is very important. Now after you do that, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on select files. Then I'm gonna upload this one here, and basically what you're gonna have to do now is simply wait, and that's all. Now of course you're gonna have to enter the title. If you want, you can add a description, and you can scroll down and add this to a playlist. Here you're gonna have to choose if this is made for kids or not, and you can also add some tags and play around with the different settings from YouTube. As you can see, now they added this option here. So do any of the following describe your content, makes a real person appear to say or do something they didn't say or do. So if you use AI content, AI generated content, make sure to check this box, otherwise your channel may be getting maybe gets deleted or so. So after you play around with the settings and everything, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on visibility and then click on public, and basically that's all you have to do. So now if we go here to videos, as you can see, I don't have any videos because the shorts are in this tab here. So as you can see, I already published this short once again. So as you can see, I have here this icon that says this is a short. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.